Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sleep awake game crashing, not launching, or stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check the system requirements of the game. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, you have to select the game, and or you can also search for the game in the store option, then go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and then try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now click on device manager. Now here, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Here in under launch option, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, type -dx12 and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve, remove the launch option and then move to the next solution. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application named as Project H prod. Simply right click on it and click on properties, compatibility, and here you have to click on run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve, again come here, you have to select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If this also doesn't resolve, select the game, right click on it, click on properties and remove all the selected disable selected part and click on apply and OK, and after that move to the next solution. Now next method is to allow the game through firewall. Go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. Now here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If not, don't worry, you simply have to click on allow another app. Now click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add the game to the list. Now after that, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you have to enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to disable it. Once done, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and this will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, under library sections. Here you have to click on Steam option. Now click on settings, then click on downloads, go below, and from here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. Click on it and you will get an option that this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam again, so you just have to confirm it. Once done, now log into Steam account and then try to play the game and check whether it's launching or not. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. What you need to do is simply select them. Now after selecting, right click on it, click on End Task. This will close the game completely from the background or any app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link I have already given in the description and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to select the link and download it. Now after the link is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get install or repair option. Now click on repair and wait for some time. Now you will get setup successful message. Click on the close option, and after you get the message, now restart your PC and log into the game and check if the game is working or not. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to remove it and then try to play the game and check. If not, next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, copy and paste this link on your browser that I have already provided in the description. Now after the website opens, click on the download option and this will download the DirectX on your system. After that, install it. Once you install it, now launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder. Here is the game application. Select the game application, add it to the list. Now after that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Now after this, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Sleep Awake game once. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC and then again launch Steam and reinstall Sleep Awake game once again and click on the play button to check whether it's launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.